This is just a really quick update on a new addition to my boil kettle here. So I've checked on this 3-piece valve, and I think, as I mentioned in my last video, I was having problems with, well, it wasn't really a problem, it was just the tap height was really high. So what I've done is made up a bit of a dip tube, and I didn't have room to sort of fit any flanger attachment on the end, so what I've been able to do is actually just get a copper pipe elbow and put a bit of thread tape and just push it into the back of the stainless nipple that connects the valve. And so I've filled it up and drained it and measured the water in there, and there's about just under 300 mils left. So yeah, hopefully that'll work. It'll be interesting to see how it goes once I've actually got it full of trub and crap. Anyway, cheers.